Antalya Hot Air Balloon Tours, Excursion Market. Welcome to Antalya, a Mediterranean paradise, and your gateway to one of the most breathtaking experiences in Turkey. With Excursion Market's Antalya Hot Air Balloon Tours, your journey begins before sunrise and rises far beyond the ordinary. This is not just a flight, it's silence above the earth. It's golden light on the horizon. It's a moment suspended in the sky. From Antalya, we take you to two of Turkey's most spectacular ballooning destinations, Pamukkale and Cappadocia. In Pamukkale, known for its dazzling white travertine terraces and thermal springs, you'll witness a natural wonder from a completely new perspective. As the balloon gently ascends in the early morning light, the terraces glow in soft shades of white and gold. From above, the landscape reveals its full beauty, peaceful, vast, and unforgettable. Cappadocia offers an entirely different, yet equally magical experience. Famous for its fairy chimneys, unique rock formations, and surreal valleys, Cappadocia is one of the most iconic ballooning destinations in the world. Floating above this extraordinary terrain at sunrise is a dreamlike experience. Dozens of colorful balloons rise together, creating a breathtaking panorama across the sky. Sunrise is the most enchanting time to fly. As the first rays of light illuminate the landscape, the world below transforms into warm, golden tones. The air is calm, the atmosphere serene, and every view feels cinematic. It's the perfect moment for stunning photographs and unforgettable memories. Our experienced and licensed pilots guide each flight with precision and care, sharing insights about the region's history and geography while ensuring the highest safety standards. Whether you are traveling as a family, a couple, or celebrating a special occasion, we offer a range of options to suit your needs. Family-friendly tours allow everyone to enjoy the magic of floating above these remarkable landscapes. For those seeking something more exclusive, private and luxury balloon rides provide an intimate and personalized experience, ideal for anniversaries, proposals, or once-in-a-lifetime celebrations. Luxury packages often include special touches, such as celebratory breakfasts and champagne toasts after landing, making your adventure even more memorable. With over 10 years of experience, Excursion Market is committed to delivering safe, seamless, and extraordinary balloon tours from Antalya. From affordable adventures to premium luxury experiences, we help you find the perfect flight, backed by professional service, modern equipment, and dedicated customer support. This is more than sightseeing. It's perspective, it's freedom, it's seeing Turkey from the sky. Book your Antalya Hot Air Balloon Tour today with Excursion Market and rise above the ordinary. Your sky-high adventure starts here.